A richer portrait of Umandawa founded by most then Siri Samantha Badra Thero. Umandawa sits on 70 acres in Malsripura, Karagala, shaping a serene, environmentally friendly, walking monastery. The Thero's master plan weaves together hamlets, gravel paths, gardens, organic farms, ponds, and expansive water features with sculptural form to cultivate a graceful dialogue between people and nature. Rain gardens and a diverse plant palette, native and exotic, revitalize the ecosystem, inviting birds, butterflies, fish, and small mammals to flourish within a designed landscape that supports biodiversity and resilience. As visitors wander through shaded glades, open courtyards, and contemplative corners, they encounter spaces designed for reflection, community gathering, and hands-on learning about sustainable living, agroforestry, and water stewardship. The environment becomes a living classroom where organic farming practices, composting, rainwater harvesting, and mindful stewardship are modeled in everyday rhythms. In this nourishing setting, the practice of living in presence guides daily activities, moments of quiet observation, shared meals, and collaborative projects that nurture empathy and social harmony. The Umandawa Global Buddhist Village offers modular programs for societal betterment, spiritual guidance, and personal growth, enabling visitors to cultivate inner calm while engaging with outer action. Sculptures and art installations punctuate the landscape, inviting contemplation and inspiration at every turn. By balancing cultural heritage with ecological design, Umandawa aims to be both a sanctuary and a catalyst, where sustainable living, community care, and reverence for the earth intersect, inviting locals and travelers alike to emerge with renewed clarity, purpose, and a deeper sense of interconnectedness.